Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Chantel. This is my basic journey, and today I'm going to take you on a little trip. I got Joey with me. It's not exciting stuff. It's just my day off, and I have a lot of stuff that I need to get done, and so I'm going to go do those things. These are the basic things that I have to do on my day off. And so we're just like going to be hanging out in my van. I have my grocery bag, got my laundry, my laptop. Are you excited to go with us, Joe? Yeah, we're gonna go on adventures to the laundromat and the grocery store. I think we might have to fill our water too, babes. I can tell by your face that you're just absolutely stoked to go, Joe, so... Oh my god, you're just the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. I've made it to the laundromat. I know this is not the most exciting thing, guys, but this is what I do on my typical day off. And sometimes if I have 2 in a row, which I don't this week, I might do something the second day, but mostly like this is what I'm doing. So I'm sorry if this is not that exciting. Joey's excited. However, I do know that like a lot of times people ask like, how do you do laundry or where do you do laundry? And I just go to a laundromat, and I don't even go to like a really nice one just because they can get pretty expensive. I go to one where like the large washing machine is $5, and then to dry that load is around $1.50 to $2 depending on how big it is. And I usually average like 1 load a week, and so it's around $7 a week to do laundry for me. Let me know how much laundry is for you. I don't know if that's expensive or if that's cheap for laundry. I'm not sure, but I do get the bigger and nicer washing machine instead of like the little one, just because I can fit all of my clothes in one instead of having to do 2 loads, you know? Yeah, so I don't know. Let me know below if you think that's expensive or how much you pay for laundry. The back of my van is back to being a mess. Here's my laundry. I have 34 minutes before I have to turn over my wash. I'm actually going to record another video really quick. Since I'm hitting my 4 years, I'm kind of doing this like 4 year sober pros and cons video. So you guys can check that out. I'll put it in the cards. Hopefully I can get it done within like 30 minutes because when it's drying, I kind of want to take the time to write a blog, and that usually takes about an hour, which is about how long I need to dry my clothes for. So hopefully I can get this video done really quick, and then I'll see you guys in a few minutes. That video was kind of hard to record. I got a little emotional, but I don't know, hopefully you guys liked it. So I have just under an hour before my laundry is completely done, and so I just want to take the time to make a quick grocery list, and then I'm going to try to complete a blog, at least finish writing it. Since I don't have Wi-Fi right this second, I can at least type it out and then I'll be able to edit it. But I don't know, hopefully you guys liked it. So I have just under an hour before my laundry is completely done, and so I just want to take the time to make a quick grocery list, and then I'm going to try to complete a blog, at least finish writing it. Since I don't have Wi-Fi right this second, I can at least type it out and then I'll be able to edit it. But It does take me around an hour to complete a blog post, so I'm gonna hope that I can get that done. And if you want to check out my blog, go to www.mybasicjourney.com. I just finished writing my blog and I have about 10 minutes before I have to go get my clothes out of my dryer, and I'm actually going to use that small little vacuum I showed you guys and vacuum out the front seats because I haven't done it since I got back from vacation with Caitlin, and so they're still pretty grimy. But yeah, I really love that little vacuum. It's so great. I love it. So let's vacuum, guys. Hi, me. Say hi to everyone. I think I put it in one of these drawers. Oh, I totally did. So as you can see, it's a huge mess in there. It's what happens when you play around outside a lot, guys. And yeah, that's really stained, but it was like that when I bought the car, so don't think I'm gross or anything. Much better, eh, guys? Yeah, it's a miracle what this little tiny guy can do, right? Look at how gross he is in there. Alright, so I got my laundry done. Joey's ready. So I normally go to this little market, which I'm going to show you, and it's really easy to get water, guys. Like, even if you don't want to pay for it, I am going to pay for it. It's only 40 cents a gallon. But there are other places that you can go to get water for free. I have a 3-gallon jug, and so it's only $1.20 to fill it. And so we're just gonna go do that really quick. And it's also at my favorite market, so I'm gonna pick up some groceries from there. Vegan ice cream. Oh, you can see Joey in the window. Okay, so I finished grocery shopping, and that was the last thing that I had to do today. I just had to get water, do my laundry, get groceries, all the typical things I do on my normal days off. As you guys can tell, it is dark out now, and so it's not ample lighting for vlogging, so I'm in front of this artificial light, hence why I'm blown out, but that's okay. I just wanted to say bye to you guys. I really appreciate you being here. So I don't know. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you next week. Okay, bye.
That was fucking rad.